Hi guys, in this video I will be going over how to present and illustrate categorical variables using SPSS. To do that, we're going to be using specifically the class survey, right? Specifically, I will be focusing on the variable excited, which corresponds to the respondent's level of excitement about the course. Of course, this is a categorical variable because it is comprised of categories that range from strongly disagree to strongly agree. And of course, because these categories can be ordered, this is specifically an ordinal level variable. When it comes to illustrating and presenting categorical variables, you really have three choices. You have a frequency table if you want to present the variable in a table, or if you want to illustrate that variable, you can use either a bar graph, which I suggest you use if you have more than three categories, or a pie chart, which I suggest you use if you have less than three categories. All right, so let's go over SPSS and carry out the analysis. So to carry out a frequency table, to create a frequency table, you are going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and you will be bringing over the variable excited. So the variable excited will be here. You can either drag it, right? Or you can just highlight it and click on the arrow and bring it to the other side. Once it's on the other side, you click OK. And here you have in the output window, you will see a frequency table. Of course, valid means the number of respondents that actually answered the question, which is 21. Missing means the number of respondents that did not answer this particular question. In this case, all respondents answered the question. And here you have the number of people that fall in each category, the percent of people that fall in each category, the valid percent. The valid percent just simply means that it's taken into account the people that did not answer the question. In this case, because no one missed the question, everybody answered the question, the valid percent and the percent are the same. However, when these two differ, always go with the valid percent because it will take into account the people that did not answer the question. And of course, the cumulative percent. That is a frequency table. To illustrate this into a bar graph, you're going to go to Graphs, Legacy Dialogs, Bar, click Define, and again, you're going to be bringing excited into the category axis. All right. Here you have choices as to what do you want on your y-axis. You either can ask for the percent of cases, or you can ask for the number of cases, right? Let's go with percentages because it's easier for people to comprehend. So you're gonna click OK, and here's your bar graph. Of course, you can also do a pie chart. To do that, you're gonna go again to Graphs, Legacy Dialogs, Pie Chart, Define, and in the slot Define Slices By, you're gonna bring it in excited. So you're gonna bring it and drag it, or you can just highlight it and click on the arrow, and then you click. Here you also have the same choices. So maybe instead of doing the percent of cases, you can just do number of cases, and here you are. Again, most people seem to be either neutral about it or agree. They are excited about the class. Of course, in SPSS, there's multiple ways of doing the same thing. If you want to do both a frequency table and a bar graph at the same time without going to two different functions, all you really have to do is go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequency, and when you bring excited here, right here you have a couple of choices. In particular, you have charts, so you can ask for charts. In this case, we want a bar graph, so let's ask for a bar graph. You click Continue, click OK, and you will get both a frequency table and a bar graph. All right, guys, that's everything for this lesson.